And I made a mistake on the video yesterday. I said that the free class ends March 26th, and I was recording it on March 27th. That made no sense. It started March 26th, it ends April 9th. And this is my stain painting class that I taught for Blueprint. It's a video class. It's got, I don't know how many lessons. I teach you about mediums, I teach you about paint, I teach you about using watercolor-like techniques with acrylic on canvas. It's really cool, it's really fun and freeing. And I wanted to say that if you don't have canvas, that's okay. Like if you're stuck at home and you just want to do a project with what you have on hand, you can use paper to do this. I am in the forum there, so I will be able to chat with you. You can ask me questions, I will respond. It's a great way for us to connect and for you to get a project done while you might be stuck at home for a little while, like I am. I just did my virtual dance party with my sister and my friend. It was super fun. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm thinking of you. And I know during challenging times, like, creativity is the glue that holds me together, and maybe you too. So I definitely want to help you out. Keep watching the videos here, but if you want something more in depth with me, an actual class, the way I would teach in a classroom with a lot more support and like a continuous lesson plan and stuff, that is a great place. So Blueprint, I'll put the link below. They're just running this special right now because of these unusual circumstances, absolutely free. You don't need to give a credit card, they tell me. So you just, give them your email and then you can get access. And they have all these other classes too that they're going to be offering free access for 2 weeks only. So I'm actually going to go on there and see if there's anything cool. I know they have like all kinds of things, not just art, but I think they have like crochet and knitting and baking and whatnot. So I'm gonna check it out too. Let me know what you think. If you're interested in the stain painting or what other things you're hoping to learn, let me know how you're doing right now. Like, is this hard for you? Are you having a hard time being stuck at home? Are you enjoying the time at home? And if there's any way I can support you additionally, please let me know. All my love, take care, bye.